Well, good morning. How was everybody's weekend? Please let me know if the audio is good. Now, one thing that I wanted to go over real quick before the trading session. If you remember the email that I sent out yesterday, we spoke about SPEX in regards to the ramp up that he had last week. Looking at here at the 15-minute time frame. One thing that I was talking about, it was that there was probably going to be a possibility and a good opportunity in the pre-market hours today to get a nice trade. And very unfortunate, I had an issue and I had to go to school. My kids dropped them off. I had to go there twice. I wasn't able to be on the computer earlier. Today I missed the opportunity. I really thought that we were going to have a good chance this morning to see this SPX move higher today, and I missed that opportunity, which is pretty bad because I was actually expecting that. Since you guys go back and read the email that I sent out yesterday, that was what I was expecting, a ramp up in the pre-market hours today on SPX. Very unfortunate I missed it. I was in the computer. I was not in the computer. Sitting down. Went to my kids' school. When I got there, I had to go back with one of them and come back home and then go back to school again. And then I had to go in and talk to the security guard, and there was a whole back and forth with that. So I unfortunately I missed the opportunity there for that trade, which ended up being something that it's very unfortunate again that I missed. As of right now, we have a little bit of volume that already came in. We can see Twitter striked a deal with Elliott, but honestly, I'm not paying much attention to Twitter, but also I don't want to try to be a superhero here when it comes to SPX. We have about almost 7 million shares traded so far right now today, and so the market is going crazy with the oil wars and Russia, China. Well, not China, but Russia. What's going on here? Okay, this is not. Okay, wait a second now. TC 2000 froze on me. Okay, well, came back. All right. This thing's gonna be halted though. Right out of the gates, I'm pretty sure. Ramping up a 475 high date right now on SPEX. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna have to close TC 2000 and revamp again because it's not responding. Let me just give me a second here. This is really messed up. I hate when this thing kind of stuff happens. Oh, look at that pullback right out of the open on this thing. Let's see here. Go back. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. All right. I don't know what happened there. So again, being that this is way too volatile, I don't like it too much. V-Ray is dropping fast. I'm gonna keep V-Ray on watch here. SPEX, the best chance. GNMK dropping as well. The best opportunity for me, geez man, hold up, forgot to give you guys this here. I'm not gonna be throwing punches right away, so I'm not gonna try to get involved in the front side of the move here. It's gonna be really volatile. It's extremely volatile. So we got GMNK. I like that one better. Watching micro bounce, but it's dropping fast. V-Rate as well out of the watch list that we picked up a couple of weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago. Again, the opportunity there was missed in the pre-market hours on SPX. Everybody's going to be jumping here on this one because it seems like this is going to be the best, the next big thing. Moderna is dropping quick, and IO as well. I don't like the formation there. mRNA actually is looking decent. And GMNK as well. Healthcare sector stocks are dropping this morning. Not all of them, as you can see here on the SPX. Extremely volatile. The best opportunity was in the pre-market hours. It's going to be extremely volatile here. So very unfortunate I missed this trade. V-Rate doesn't have a lot of volume though. I'm watching the swim picks here. Okay. Oil and gas sector today because of what's happening with Russia and Saudi Arabia. Gas prices are actually dropping fast. SPX hold it. Micro bounce on GMNK. That one looks a little bit better, but the volume is not too much. Honestly, it's kind of low volume, dropping quick. So I'm gonna be putting Moderna, mRNA here. Bear flag formation on the 1 minute time frame. mRNA halted and SPX halted. GMNK halted. That's all of the stocks are being halted right now. See where it resumes. Moderna halted. SPX halted. Sogo halted. Let's see, this one looks a little better. Maybe less people's watching this thing. Why did it get halted though? Let me just read the news on this one. Doesn't look too good though. So it seems, man. So it seems they did that this morning. I was listening to Bloomberg News, and they were saying that the Fed was going to step in to prevent the whole market just going bonkers, right? And now we've seen the whole market drop like crazy. So sit back and relax again. This is one of the reasons why I didn't want to throw any punches. Because it's surely a crazy day, man. Surely a crazy day. I haven't seen this happen in a long time. When is it the last time this thing happened? Like what, 9/11? 2008, right? Really? I'm sorry. 2008 with the housing bubble. Sit and enjoy. It's gotta be trending on Twitter though. It's gotta be trending on Twitter. Let me just see what's trending here. All right. S&P dropped over 7%, although it seems things are popping on the news here. So the halt is for 15%, 15-minute halt, 15-minute halt. Holy smokes. This is kind of exciting, right? Not too much, man. There's a lot of people crying out there today. So I came up here again. The idea that I had was SPX, right? In the pre-market hours. As you can see here, very good consolidation and ramp up. We had this thing Friday, this ramp up here. So I figured this morning in the pre-market hours there was going to be a decent opportunity for a up move. Again, focusing on exactly what I mentioned in the email, pre-market session. When I sent out the email yesterday, there was no oil news coming out yet. Maybe they were, maybe I didn't even see them. But there was nothing going on. And as of right now, if I would have taken that trade, it would have been a decent thing to have done, because right out of the gates, you saw this flush, and then there's a lot of people that are honestly right now are trapped in positions that they have no idea how the market is going to open. And this is not funny. This is not funny though. The whole market is in a halt. I can't remember last time this thing happened. Yeah, I wonder who's gonna be blamed for this. I mean, sorry. Come on now. Crazy, Matt. It's crazy. Crazy, Matt. Yeah, you certainly have the time, man. Certainly have the time today. Surely have the time. Let's just tweet. Just tweet a little bit with Matt over here. How's everybody doing today? Anybody trapped in a halt here? Anybody? Is anybody trapped in a position in this halt? Any of you guys? Anyone? Let's see, man. Let's see how the market is going to react here. Based on the market regulations, the following circuit breaker rules will apply for today if met. Based on XPX price level 1, 7% decline, 15-minute trading halt. Level 2, 13% decline, 15-minute trading halt. Level 3, 20% decline, trading suspended for the day. I'm getting those news right here sent out over. So I'm reading this thing. Let me just post that on the chat here on Discord. Okay, we resumed. I gotta see the spider here. I got the spiders on one of the monitors here just to track it, see what's gonna happen. I really don't feel too comfortable sending any orders today. I'll be monitoring this thing, but I don't feel pretty sure that's a lot of people trying to get out. Get out. Say, let's keep on this thing and watch, see what's going to happen here. Big decline here. I don't feel too confident or comfortable sending orders today. I don't know, we be sitting on the wrong side of this thing today. Just keep an eye on the market from the distance. I think Moderna's gonna keep dropping here. Oh yeah. Dude, this is crazy. This is really messed up. It's really messed up. Feel bad for the people who were trapped in this thing and then now they were not able to get out. Surely a crazy day in the market. The economy, the global economy has been shaken. It's been shaken. I don't feel too comfortable here. Meaning today, sending orders. I don't want to be trapped in the wrong side of this thing. I'm gonna keep on an eye on the SPY. If it falls another, we down 7%, right? So if we go down another 7%, somewhat, it's gonna be halted again. Let's see how this thing reacts here. But the Fed is probably gonna step in. They were already reporting this thing today. That the Fed was going to be injecting liquidity into the market to prevent any kind of weird thing happening. But look at what happened already today. So, yeah, AIM. See here. I think we can do something being really cautious, but again, you have to be extremely careful on this thing. Just scan here to see what's going on. So much red in the scanners this morning. It's crazy. You guys see AIM here. AIM is looking good towards the $4. Next stop, $4. AIM, next stop, $4. We have $4 higher date right there on the 15-minute time frame. We see the 4. See the 4 is probably going to the 4. Jim and K bouncing back up. Aim towards the 6. Aim towards the 6. The next stop is 4. Aim towards 4. 4. Hold on, I'm 25 cents away here. Aim towards 4. Daily level. Daily level. Resistance around $4. Can we pick up this level? Where is this level? Look at the date here. The date is the 22nd of July. 22nd, July 22nd, 2019. We had a key level of $4 resistance right there. Anyway, you guys know that this is the whole $0.5 resistance right there. It's going towards the 4. Towards the 4 is going to hit there. It's probably going to roll over after that. Going to hit the 4. Going towards the 4. 391. Gonna get close to the 4. Probably gonna pull over around 4. Going towards the 4.